KTA was founded in 1949 on the idea that comparative testing of coating systems using steel composite panels to evaluate corrosion would help clients determine a coating's life expectancy and minimize life cycle costs. And in our 70-year history, we've continued to pioneer new concepts in the coatings and corrosion industry, leading the way in third-party coating, steel, and concrete inspection, along with laboratory testing services to assist our clients in protecting their critical industrial assets. But KTA is not just about providing coating, steel, and concrete-related services. It's about assuring asset owners that their critical infrastructure is protected. To deliver on our goals requires a tremendous team, and after years of being at the heart of the coatings industry, we've learned that the reason over tens of thousands of customers and over a dozen industries look to us for services across the world is because of our people. It's a combination of their technical expertise, work ethic, and compassion that really enables us to deliver the very best to our clients. And with over 130 NACE certified inspectors, 70+ certified weld inspectors, and being the first certified SSPC QP5 firm will allow us to support your needs every step of the way. So from all of us here at KTA to all of you, we thank you for your business and look forward to protecting the world's infrastructure for another 70 years.